Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's our Leetcode Daily challenge problem is XOR queries of a subarray. So basically, we are given an array of positive integers, and you are given an array of queries where query of I contains two values, left and right. Okay. So for each query I, you have to compute the XOR of the elements from left to right. Okay. And at the end, you have to return the array return an array answers where answer of I is the answer of the ith query. So suppose this is the given array and these are the queries. So what we have to do is we have to for each query like there is given left and right index left and right index. Okay. So for this particular each query you have to traverse like from 0 to 1 you have to find the XOR from this particular array, and you have to store in another vector like answer. Okay, so you will store the answer of this particular query, this particular query, this particular query, and at the end you will return that answer vector. Okay, so see in this particular example from 0 to 1. So we have to find the XOR from 0 to 1 index. So 1 and 3 XOR is 2. So we have the answer is 2 here. From 1 to 2 we have to find the XOR from 1 to second 2 index. Okay, so that is 3 and 4. 3 and 4 XOR is 7. Here we have to find the XOR from 0 to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, that is the XOR of 1, 3, 4, and 8. It is 14. So we have stored here. Okay, similarly for 3 comma 3 that is for 8 only. So there is only one element. So it will come as it is. Okay. Now the first approach that comes into our mind while looking at this problem is the brute force. That is, firstly we will create the vector answer, okay, where I will store all the like all the XORs according to these queries. Okay, then I will simply traverse through this query vector. Okay, here, so each query is representing to this particular query. Okay, now what I will do is I will like from here to here, from left to right, I will find all the XORs. Okay, store it into the result, and at the end of this particular loop, I will insert the result into answer vector. Okay, and at the end of this particular loop, I will return the answer. And what I am doing in this particular loop is, see, I have taken this result variable. Okay, so result variable is storing the first left value, array of left, that means array of zero value, that is 1. Okay, then from left plus 1 till right, left plus 1 is 1, 1 till 1 only. Okay, I will traverse through this uh, I will through I will traverse all these value containing between left plus 1 and right. Okay, and I will simply take the XOR of the result and array of j, that is that particular value, index value. Okay, and I will at the end I will store it into the answer and I will simply return it. Okay, so hope you have understood it. If I run it, yes, it is running fine. So coming to the time complexity of this particular solution would be, we have to traverse through the queries of n size, that is n, and then again we are traversing all the elements on the array of m size, suppose. So n into m would be our time complexity. Now, can we optimize this particular solution? However, it is getting submitted now. Let me just show you. Yes, it is accepted, and see, it is taking approx 1600 milliseconds. Okay, now can we optimize this particular problem? Yes, we can. So for that, what I will be doing is I will be using the prefix sum approach. So here basically we have to find the XOR, so we can say that prefix XOR. Okay, the concept is same, however. So what I will be doing is uh, like in this particular, like this particular array is given, so we will take one extra array. Okay, and we will at each index we will find we will store the XOR of the previous all the values. Okay, so let me just comment it out. And so this is our solution for prefix XOR approach. Okay, so in this approach, what I will be doing is, let me take you to the whiteboard. So see, I have taken the same example, that is 1, 3, 4, 8 here. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, and 8. Okay, 0, like I have to take the index from the 0, so I have taken from 1, so it's fine. Now at each index, what I will be doing is I will be storing the XOR of previous all the values. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, 8 was given. Now here no previous values is there, so I will store 1 only. Here I will store the XOR of 1 and 3. Then here I will store the XOR of all the previous values, that is 1, 3, and 4. Okay, and here also like the XOR would be 1, 3, 4, and 8. So this is our prefix XOR array. Okay, so here as you can see, I have taken this n of array size and vector prefix XOR of n size. Okay, XOR of 0 contains array of 0. Okay, and then from I will start from index 1 till the array dot size, and I will store all the previous XOR. Like I will take the XOR of the current index and the previous like prefix XOR I minus 1, that is previous index. Okay, I will take the XOR and store it in the current index. Okay, so here like pre of XOR is containing 1 initially, then I will move to the second index, and here I will take the XOR of this particular thing and I minus 1 the value, that is 1. Okay, when I move to 4, I will take the XOR of 4 and I minus 1 the value, that is 1 XOR 3. Okay, in this way. Now what I will do is I will make this vector of answer. Okay, where I will store all the queries answers and then I will return it. Again the same thing, I will basically traverse through the queries array. Okay, queries, and then here I have taken this L and R, that is representing query of 0 and query of 1. Okay, and then if L is equal to 0, so here let's see in the first query L is 0 and right is 1. Okay, so L is equal to 0, that means see we are storing we have to find the XOR from 0 to 1 index. Okay, that is from 0 is here and 1 is this, from 0 to 1 index. Okay, so when it's 0, that means we can simply return this R, because in R we are storing all the XORs from 0 to index to this R index. Okay, so I will simply return what this particular prefix XOR of R. Okay, but if the like left value is no 0, like here in this case L is 1 and R is 2. Okay, so what I will do is, that means this is 1 index. Okay, this is 0th index, this is 1, 2, and 3. So basically 1 and 2 we have to find the XOR from 1 to 2. Okay, so but here I have stored the XOR from 0 to 3. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to remove this particular XOR. Okay, so for this what I will do is I will simply return what answer dot pushback prefix of XOR of L minus 1. L minus 1 means this particular value. L is here, R is here, so L minus 1. Okay, because L minus 1 is storing prefix of all the previous values. So and if you know the property of this particular XOR, that is A XOR A is equal to 0, that means what? See, here like I have to find the XOR from 1 to second index. Okay, so the second index is 1 XOR 3 XOR 4, right? And L is 1, so I will take the XOR of L minus 1, that is XOR of right index and XOR of L minus 1 index. L minus is 1, 1 comes here, so A cross A XOR A is 0, so 1 XOR 1 is 0, so we are left with 3 XOR 4. Okay, so if you can see here in this particular at this particular index, the XOR would be 3 and 4 only if I remove this particular one. Okay, this is the approach. So now hope you have understood this approach. If I run it, yes, it is running fine, and if I submit it, yes, it is accepted. And you can see like earlier we were here like from 1500 to just 12 or 13 milliseconds. Okay, so basically we have reduced the complexity from O into M, okay, to O plus M, because we aren't traversing through the particular array again and again anymore. Okay, just we have taken this extra space of prefix XOR. Okay, hope you have understood this problem, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.